How to use the background remover in NanoBanana.AI. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for NanoBanana.AI and navigate to its website. You will see this kind of web interface. Once you're in its website, make sure that you are logged in with your accounts. Now, in order to use the background remover in NanoBanana.AI, here in this page, if you scroll it down, you can see this AI editor section. Here you can upload your image. Make sure that you have selected this image to image option and tap on this add image section. From here, you can select the image from your gallery. Select your preferred image. It'll be uploaded over here. Now, in order to use the background remover, here you can see this main prompt section. Tap on this field. Over here, you can provide the text prompt. You can explain everything in details. You can explain how you want to remove the background. Write everything in details. After you write the prompt accordingly, you can now tap on this Generate Now button. The NanoBanana.AI will process this and generate the output over here. You will see the output with the removed background. So that's a very easy process to use the background remover in NanoBanana.AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.